Hey, it's late winter, got a nice mild day today, and I'm gonna unpack just a small order from Tackle Warehouse. Here's Zuri minnow. Actually be using these in Florida, hopefully for some snook as well. Got some Senkos, black flake, just go to. Jerkbait, another jerkbait. Got the, these are the Berkley hip, and picked up a few more spinner baits. Sexy shad color. And finally, trying out some different jigs this spring, and I think the black and red, pair this with a Nico leech as a trailer, could be really good early season. So let me know your favorite baits for early spring. Largemouth, smallmouth, doesn't matter. Tell me in the comments below.